Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your online presence with Squarespace, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your Squarespace account. Navigate to the home menu. Select the settings option from the sidebar. Choose security and HTTPS to focus on security settings. Ensure that the SSL option is enabled for your site. This will encrypt data transfers between your site and visitors. Next, go back to the Settings menu. Click on Password to set a password for your site. This adds an additional layer of protection if your site is in development. Return to the Home menu and choose Domains. Verify that your domain is connected and has a valid SSL certificate. In the Settings menu, go to User Accounts. Evaluate who has access to your site. Remove any unnecessary user accounts for better security. Next, click on the Social Links section. Connect your social media accounts to maintain consistency. Then, revisit the Home menu and select Marketing. Under SEO, ensure that your site is optimized for search engines. This helps in authenticating your brand online. Now, navigate to Analytics in the Marketing section. Regularly review your site's analytics to monitor user activity. Make adjustments based on the data to enhance security. Go back to the Home menu, then select Settings. Click on Advanced and review the data and privacy settings. Make sure to restrict data access as necessary. Finally, keep your site updated with regular content additions. This keeps visitors engaged and enhances your online presence credibility. Implement these steps consistently to maintain a secure online presence. With dedication, your Squarespace site will be both secure and effective. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.